earrings that are all super cute kawaii style? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get the Hello Kitty inspired makeup look on watchmojo.com. So I love Sanrio because they made these adorable Hello Kitty products for Sephora, and ta-da! Here we do have a brush set. And this is what we're going to work with. It's all synthetic, so there's no animals harmed while doing your makeup. So I'm going to stay with 3 brushes. We have the fluff brush. This is for the eyeshadow. We have the shader, and that's going to go mostly for the crease and lower lid. And then we have the angled eyeliner. This is great for eyebrows and for eyeliner. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the large eyeshadow. This is going to fill in the entire base for the eyes. Always starting with the lightest color. You want this area to look really big and open, very anime, and we'll extend it out towards the temple. What I'm using is the Wild Thing palette. It's a Hello Kitty collection that was made for Sephora. And what I like about it is that there's 3 different collections in it, so you have 3 color families to work with. So depending on your mood and your look, you can change it up. You can always take the same brush, the same color, it's the lightest one in the kit, pop it into the inner corner, and just brush lightly underneath the eye, and that will help conceal any extra discoloration that may be there. One thing that always happens is that we want to make the nose look a little bit more aqualine. They like this tiny little nose and really big eyes in the kawaii look. So again, eyeshadow brush, same light shade, and we're going to start running it right down the center of the nose. And believe it or not, we're also going to extend it up through the middle and also along the chin. Because as Asians, we have really round faces, so you want to make them look longer. So what you want to do afterwards is just take your fingertips and just blend that out. Leave the natural shading, just gives that more aqualine appearance. Okay, I'm going to use the same brush now, but I'm going into the more matte pink, and this is going to go all over the lower lid, and we're going to concentrate on the inner corner. Okay, and next we're going to take the shader brush and we're going to go into this golden nude shade, and that's going to be for the crease, really wide, so that we can finish with the deepest color at the end. Because we have very little crease, we're trying to build that up to give it some more depth, so it actually looks a little bit more recessed. I don't know why we're obsessed with having Caucasian looking eyes, but that's what we do. So outer corner, kind of like half moon. So finally we'll go into the smoky violet. This will be the last of the eyeshadows. And instead of using the tip to apply the color, I want it a little bit wider, so I kind of have it on the side, the long side of the tip pointed upwards. And we'll just pull it a little bit further up onto the lid, outer corner. Okay, I'm going to take the same last purple because we love anything that's cute and shiny and pretty. We're going to use a little bit of eyeliner sealer. You can use water, you can use saliva. We're going to clean off our angled brush, pick up the liquid, and go into the sparkly lavender. And we're going to run all along the lash line, fairly wide line. And it's the same color that we used on the crease. You can see how different it is once you add the liquid to it. There is 3 little collections in here, and the one at the very bottom has a beautiful deep purple, nice little shimmer to it. Again, using that wet, and I'm gonna just back up the lashes with that one just to add it extra depth. Okay, so now that we've gone from the lightest color all the way to the darkest, I always like to finish with the lightest shade again. Original brush, the eyeshadow brush, lightest color underneath the arch of the brow. I just cleaned off the small angle brush, and I'm going to be using this little color. It is Sand by Arbonne, and it's a light taupe, and it's great for filling in eyebrows, especially for Asian, because it fills in the skin without making them too dark. And no Asian-inspired makeup look is going to be complete with the Hello Kitty liquid eyeliner. It's a felt tip, drag across. And the beauty is, because we put the other colors on beforehand, it really is very forgiving if you don't do the most perfect line. Because we're Asian, we don't really have the curliest of eyelashes, so I'm using the Shumura lash curler. I love this one, it's my favorite. You can also get this one at Sephora. Get the lash curler as close to the roots as possible. Pulse it. I'm going to follow that up with a brand new mascara from Arbonne. It's called It's a Long Story Mascara. God bless it. For our short little stubby lashes, this is awesome. But if you want to be super Harajuku girl, lashes. You may find that some of these eyelashes are made for drag queens, so you might want to gauge it first, see if they fit. If they don't, take a little bit of scissors and cut off the ends. Nothing completes a cutie look than having a little bit of blush right in the middle of the apples of the cheeks. So what we have is the Hello Kitty face brush. Again, synthetic, so you can always do a sheer application with it and build upon it. And this is Arbonne's Taffeta in a beautiful bright pink. And Hello Kitty also does a lip brush, so we're going to use the Arbonne Posh, beautiful sparkly pink. And I love this one because it's not a sticky color and it has a nice fruit essence to it. No parabens, no artificial color, no artificial flavors, no mineral oils, and no animal products. So it's all vegan friendly. Always concentrated in the middle of the lip just to make it extra full. And there you have it, kawaii inspired Hello Kitty makeup from Sephora.